students. This is Dr. Hare Ram Singh. I am assistant professor in CSE department in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology. Today I will be teaching you the DBMS LAB program, and that's program number 2. So the program number 2 is telling that create a database and queries along with subquery using any, all, in, exist, not exist, union and intersect constraints. For example, select the roll number and name of the students who secured the 4th rank in the class. So we have to create a database, and in that database we have to create some table, and in using those tables we have to ask some queries. We have to create a code to which will be there for some queries. Queries should be like select the roll number and name of the students who secured the 4th rank in the class. And in that query code, we should use these keywords: any, all, in, exist, not exist, union and intersect. So let us start. So first we have created a table here called students. So create table students for roll number int. So create in table are the keywords. The students is the table name, and roll number, it is a primary key, it's an attribute name. Int is a data type, and that should be a primary key. Name, it has an attribute and it's a variable character 10, means name can vary from 1 character to 10 character, and it should not be null. And class, it should be integer, and I have put one check constraint. Class should be between 1 to 12. It means you should not enter give the negative value to the class, or you should not give a value, integer value which is more than 12 to the class. Then section, which will be there for 1 character, and it should not be null. And age, age is also integer, and age value of age should be between 5 to 18. So let us let me copy this code, and I'll try to paste it here. And here it is telling name already exists, means this is students table already it is there. So what I will do, I'll drop that table first. Drop table students, students. There is again some constraint is coming, that some unique and primary key in table reference means this table is having some attribute which is referred by some other table. So in order to delete this table, I have to delete those table also. So let it be. Let me check the details of this student table. So I'll describe students. So already their roll number, name, class, section and age, already these tables are created, no problem. So when previously during before recording this video, I had executed these programs and I had checked. So this table is already created. If the table is already created, you cannot create the table with the same name again. So when you people are creating the table first time, the table will be created, but the same table is there, then you cannot create the same table with the same name. Next is marks. So here I hope create a table marks. So roll number int in the marks. Here I can bring this parenthesis here, it will be more understandable. So here attributes are roll number int, then subject name varchar 15, marks obtained, that should be data type integer, and we have put a check constant marks obtained should be between 0 to 100, and I have put a primary key. There is a combination of two attributes will become a primary key, roll number and subject, because one student one student has taken so many subjects, and each subject's marks we have to enter. So here roll number will be entered again and again. So combination of these two keywords will attributes will act as a primary key. Then we have a foreign key roll number, which will refer the student table. So I hope this marks table will also be already created. So I just describe marks, marks. Yes, marks already created. Marks already created with roll number and subject and marks obtained. Roll number, subject and marks obtained. Next let us create a rank. So create table rank. So here roll number int, and that's a primary key, and rank it should be integer, not null. Then foreign key roll number, again roll number is the foreign key, references student roll number. So here two tables, marks and ranks, both are having the foreign key roll number, which is referencing these students roll number, which is the primary key in the student table. So I hope this rank will also would have been created here. So describe ranks, R-A-N-K-S, ranks. Yes, this is also there. Now we can insert some values in the student table. So insert into let us see how many attributes are there in students. 1 2 3 4 5 attributes are there, so 5 values we have to insert. So 1 2 3 4 5. So insert into student values, that first attribute, that is a student ID, that is 1, then student name Alice, then third attribute is class, so class 10, and fourth attribute is section is A and age is 15. We have inserted. So let me check these data are inserted in students table or not. Select star from students. There is no data inserted, so I will take this data, I will copy and I will insert it here. Yes, row inserted, then second row I will insert it, then third students detail I will insert, and fourth detail I will insert, and that's fifth data I will insert. Okay. Then I will just use the command. I will write select star from students. Yes, all these values inserted, and You guys remember that this what is called this students roll number is the primary key. Roll number is the primary key. So this first digit it should be different. 1 2 3 4 5 it should be different. It should not, like two students cannot have the same ID, student ID. It should be different. So while inserting you just keep it in mind. So these are the data inserted in the students table. Let me copy this data because for our reference I'll put this one in print. Yes, here this is the data I need to reference again and again, so let it be here. Next we should insert the data in RAM marks. So marks I inserted the data is I think not copied. Three attributes are there in marks. You can see that in marks 3 attributes: roll number, subject, and marks of 10 we have to insert. So I inserted. Then insert again fourth students detail, then insert the fifth student with the student ID fifth. Then we'll see the data. Select star from marks. So the data inserted. So next we have to insert the data in ranks, third table ranks. So let us insert. So insert into ranks. I can give the attribute name also, like here roll number and rank, and then values I can give, or without giving the attribute name also I directly can give, like insert into ranks values 1 1, or this also okay, insert into ranks roll number, rank, and values. I can give this one by one. Then will display the values entered in the ranks. Select star from ranks. Yes. the rank also value inserted. Now let us come to the query, some queries with constraints and operations. So here we'll take this query, select roll number and name from students where roll number equal to, again sub query is there, select roll number from ranks where rank equal to 4. So this is the sub query according to the questions, because in here we have to create a sub query also here along with sub queries. We have to create a query along with the sub queries. So this is a sub query. So first this data we will see. So select roll number from ranks where rank equal to 4. So this is the rank where the rank equal to 4. What is its roll number 3? So this inquiry will give the output 3. So 3 will be assigned to the roll number. 3 will be assigned to the roll number. Then this outer query will run. So select a roll number and name from students where roll number equal to 3. So we have to see the student table, students detail whose roll number is 3. So I think in the paint I have put the student table. So roll number 3, who is roll number 3? Charlie 10A50, Charlie. So Charlie detail will be there. So let us see. I hope Charlie should only come. So output Charlie came. Now we have to select only roll number and name. So Charlie, roll number 3. Yes, we got correct answer. Next is querying using in keyword. So select name from students where roll number in, select roll number from ranks where rank is less or equal to 3. So this is again the sub query. So we have to select roll number where rank from ranks, select roll number from ranks where rank is less or equal. So this is the rank, this is the rank, this is the rank table data. We have to select the roll number where rank is less or equal to 3. So rank is 1, is 2, 3, all are less or equal to 3, and the roll number 1, 4 and 2, 1, 4 and 2. So this will give this query will give the output 1, 2 and 4. So once a roll number will be assigned with 1, next roll number will be assigned with 2, next roll number will be assigned with 4. So corresponding to roll number 1, 2 and 4, that name from the students will be displayed. So if we see the this one 1, 2 and 4, what is the name? Alice, Bob and David is there. So those data should be displayed here. I hope so. So let us see, execute this. Alice, David and Bob. 1, 2 and 4, Alice, David and Bob. Okay. Yes. Next using exists keyword. Exist keyword means select name from student S where exists. This query will give select 1 from marks M where S dot roll number equal to M dot roll number and M dot marks obtained greater than 90. Now actually if this query will give any data, means if output of this query exists, then only external query will work. So let us see, select 1 from marks M, and here we are creating one aliases for table name student S, like a student whose name in class is Mohan, and at home his name suppose Pappu or Babu can be there. So same person, it has a two name, so that is called alias. So here we are creating one alias name for table student, S. So S also represent student only. Then again here marks, we are creating one alias name for M. M, we are creating one alias name for marks table M, marks. So select one from marks M, where S dot roll number, S stands for student, roll number is equal to M dot roll number. Of course, because roll number is there in student table also and in marks table also, and roll number in marks is the foreign key which is referencing roll number in student. And M dot marks obtained greater than 90, greater than 90. So let us see where the marks table is here, marks table is here. So greater than 90, where is that? One is 95, 95, and one is 92. Only two values I get. So corresponding to 95, roll number is 1, and corresponding to 92, roll number is 4. So here marks obtained greater than 90, where so we have to select marks, select one from. So it is existing because marks obtained greater than 90 is, one is 92, another is 95 exists. So corresponding to those students detail, name from students will be detailed, will be displayed here. So see here, corresponding to 95, what is the roll number 1, and corresponding to 92, what is the roll number 4. So roll number 1 and 4, corresponding to roll number 1 and 4, who is the student name? What is the student name? Alice and David. So here output will be for that Alice and David, here we got. So let me execute this. Alice and David it is coming. Next is using NOTEXISTS, using the NOTEXISTS. Let us execute this, and then I will explain it. Select name from student S where NOTEXISTS. Select one from marks M, where S dot roll number equal to M dot roll number and M dot subject equal to math, and M dot marks obtained is less than 85. So whatever output this will give, okay, so it will not display those except these, because it is not exist, except these whatever will be the remaining data, that it will display. So let us see what output it is giving. Here S dot roll number equal to M dot roll number, it will be there because it is a foreign key and primary key. So here M dot subject in marks, M marks, just see M marks, the subject name should be math, and marks obtained should be less than 85. So let us see math. Yes, math, here math is there 95, which is not less than 85. Is also not less than 85. Here also math 78. This data can be considered. Next again here 92 greater than 8. Math less or equal to 85 is there. Let me check. Yes, less than 85. So this will also not be considered. This 85 will also not be considered. This also not be considered. So only one data, that is marks. So what is the roll number? 3. Subject name math and marks obtained is less than 72. Roll number 3. Roll number 3. So roll number 3. So it is existing. So except the roll number 3, all the select name student is where. So except roll number 3, every data will be displayed here, because not existed. So let us see roll number 3. Roll number 3 is David. Roll number 3, sorry, Charlie. So except Charlie, all these values should be displayed. Except Charlie. So except Charlie, all the data is there. Alice, Bob, David, and Evie. Data is there. So that's a not exist keyword. Next is any. Let me execute this, then only I will explain. Yes, select name from students where age greater than any. Select age from students where section equal to A. So we have to select that age from student table where section equal to A. So let us see, this is all students, fortunately they are in A section. So we have to select all the students age, select age from students where section equal to age. So what are the age will be there? 15 and 16. 15 and 16, yes, 15 and 16 age is there. Now, so where age greater than any, anyway, suppose any, 15 also it can be there, or 16 also. So let us take select name from students where age greater than, if you take 15, so which age is greater than 15? So age will be 16. So let us see which all students have the age 16. So 16, Bob is there and Evie is there. So I hope it's a two data output here. Bob and Evie, two output will be there, because suppose if you take 15, this will return 15 and 16 both the values. So if you take 15, then the age, if you 16 age will be greater than 15. So corresponding to 16, all the students detail will be displayed. Next, if you select 16, so 16 is not greater than 16, so not displayed. So only these two values will be there. Next, all, this one, all. So select name from students where age is less or equal to all. Select age from students where section equal to A. So section, all students belong to section A only. So select age. So age will be 15 and 16, both data. So both. Now select name and students where age is less or equal to all. Suppose if you take 15, so 15 is less or equal to 15, and if you take 16, 16 is less or equal to 60. So corresponding to 15 and 16, data will be displayed: David, Alice, and Charlie. So Alice age is 15. So 15. 15 data also displayed here, because 15 is less or equal to 15, and Alice, Bob is 16. 16 is not less than 15. So Bob detail is not displayed here. Then David is also 15, Charlie is also 15, Evie is 16. So only David, Alice and Bob. David, Alice 15, David 15 and David, Alice and Charlie also 15 data is displayed. Next is union. Yes. So here this is the union of two table. So select name from students where class equal to 10. Union, select name from students where age greater than 15. So some output this data will, this query will display some output this query will give. So this union operation it will combine both the data, and whatever is repeated data, common data in both the output, it will be displayed only one. So select student where class equal to 10. So in class 10, this is the student table. In class 10 who all are there? All are there in class 10 only. So next select name from students where age greater than 15. Greater than 15 who all are there? Bob is there and AV is there. Bob is there and AV is there. So Bob is there, AV is there. That will be repeated. This will be displayed in both out. So, and first query it will give, it will display all the students this and data, and this will display only Bob and AV. So combine, if you union, if you take, all the data will come. Then if you take intersection, only the data which is combined in both, and that will be displayed. So see, Bob and AV data is coming. Bob and AV, their age is greater than 15 also, and they belong to A section. So this will coming in both the query. So since it is intersection, so in intersection whatever common output is there, that will be displayed. So this is how we finished the second program of your DBMS lab. Thank you very much.